Hello WordPress nerds. So in this video we are going to talk about how to store the data into database securely. So in this video we are just going to focus on the text field, and before jumping into the code, let me show you what I have done. So this is my local WordPress site, and this is my custom plugin. And if you don't know how to create custom plugin, link is into the description section. And everything I was demonstrating in my previous video, all are added in this custom plugin. So let me show you one thing. So I have added couple of text field. So for that I will go to post and edit any post. And here, as you can see, the custom meta box we have created, and in this meta box we have added couple of text fields. One is custom field and another one is the color. So we are going to check how to securely store data from these two text fields. So if you don't know how to create custom meta box, I have created a video. So it is in the Let's Learn WordPress playlist, tutorial number 20. So I will provide this playlist link into the description section. I would suggest to watch this first and then come back over here. Now let me show you the code. So I will open my local repo. So this is my local WordPress repo. I will go into WP content, plugins, and then my plugin includes, and I will open custom action filters.php, and let me make a little bit smaller. So this is the function is responsible to add meta box, and this is the title. As you can see, custom meta box title, and these are those couple of fields added over here. Both are type text. So as you can see, both are text type. And this is the function to store the data from those fields. And here is how we get the data from the text field. Now let's try to store data without security. So I'm gonna add the JavaScript and let's see what happens. And now let's update the code. And let's see what happens. Let's refresh the page. And as you can see, it allows us to store the script tag as well, which is very dangerous. Let's check into the database. So ideally JavaScript should not be stored in the database because it might hack your site, which is dangerous. So as the metadata stored into the post meta, so let's open the table and I will search for the ID, which is this. and let's search it. So as you can see, the whole data with the script tag is stored into the database. Very dangerous. So to overcome this situation, we have to use a function, and WordPress has a function called sanitize text field. It is only for the text field, so you can secure the data coming from the text field only. There are other functions as well, we will see into the next videos, but for this we will be focusing on the text field only. So now let's use this function before storing the data. So after using this function, it won't allow the store script tag. So this is the function which stores the data, update post meta, and here over here in the post data we will use that function. So let's use this function over there, copy this and pass that data through this function. Same for the another field, because it is also a text field. Now let's see what happens. So I'm gonna update this again, and let's wait for the meta tag box update. It's done. Refresh it. And as you can see, the value is blank. So it did not allow to store script tag into the database. As you can see, now value is blank. Let's try to store simple text field, text data, and let's see what happens. Refresh it, and it allows us to store text data, which is good. Now let's try to use a div and let's see what happens. Update it. Let's go to the database and refresh it. So as you can see, it removed the div tag, which is also a good thing. And if we refresh over here, and you can see there is no div tag. So this is how this sanitize text field function works. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, guys.